Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the JetBolt token. Name of the token is JetBolt and ticker symbol is JBOLT. And this token here is live for pre-sale on their webpage. This is an initial coin offering, an ICO. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it. We're also going to check audits. They do have a security audit we're going to have a look at, see if there's any warnings on there or anything like that. And we're going to go over the information on all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage, JetBolt.io, has a buy now button. They have a link to their application. They have, it says here, grant recipient is SKALE and audited by Solid Proof. It says JetBolt aims to power the next generation of crypto apps. Join now and be a part of the future of crypto. So basically you can connect your wallet. You have to agree to terms and all this stuff here. And then it says here that you get 10% extra free tokens. Buy over $500 and get 15% extra tokens. Now it says here you can buy the token with ETH, Bitcoin, Sol, BNB, card, all sorts of different options to buy the token. Basically, you just put in how much you want to spend of what currency. It'll tell you how many JBOLT tokens you get for that amount. And then there is a countdown to the next price increase. So there's still 11 hours, it says, to the next price increase. There's like a little chat box in the corner of the screen you can click on in case you need some help. Now, I saw this advertised in a news article. And they have here, they've been featured in Analytics Insight, Finbold, Crypto, Newsflash, CoinSpeaker, Publish OX, CoinGate, TechPoint, etc. So lots of articles regarding this project. Now they have a full 24-page white paper on their webpage. They also have a link to audits. Now it says they have a couple different audits here. We're going to have a look at that in a second. So JetBolt is built to power the next gen of crypto. Now, big disclaimer, of course, at the beginning of their white paper. So it's designed to power the next gen of crypto applications with zero gas fees, an inbuilt mobile-first non-custodial web wallet, and they do have a wallet audit too. I saw that as well. And lightning-fast transaction speeds. JetBolt is bringing Web 2 level efficiency and convenience to the Web 3 space. Built on top of the SKALE network, JetBolt breaks down the typical hurdles and barriers to entry commonly associated with onboarding new users into Web 3 applications. Whether you are developing the next big play to earn game, launching an NFT project, or building a DeFi protocol, JetBolt provides an invisible layer between the application and the blockchain. Now, it says here that there's competitive analysis with minimizing friction and increasing adoption in the forefront of any Web3 developer's mind. A wide variety of onboarding solutions are present in the market today. So they talk about that here. We could skip over that though, but they talk about downloadable wallets as well and custodial services. MPC solutions, which is multi-party computation wallets. They talk about that. And they talk about layer 2. So this is all on their white paper. And then it says, enter JetBolt. JetBolt is redefining the landscape of cryptocurrency wallets with its state-of-the-art client-side solution that leverages the widespread web Auth-N protocol. This system provides a fully self-custodial, externally owned address to the user, aligning itself with the ethos of Web3. JetBolt wallet works by splitting the user's seed phrase into two components and storing them separately on the user's device. One portion is stored in the user's local storage, which is considered secure by most Web2 applications, but would by itself be not secure enough to store a seed phrase. So the second portion is stored within a WebAuthn credential that is protected by the device's stringent security measures. This portion of the seed is only available to the user upon successful authentication. So they talk about the wallet some more. But yeah, so they have this application here. They also have, it says it's an ERC20 token, 18 decimal places. 40% or 40.3% of the tokens go to pre-sale. 8.1% go to the liquidity reserve. 40.3% staking rewards. 8.1% team. 3.2% incentives and rewards. And yeah, so then a big disclaimer at the bottom of the page. They talk about initial pricing. So basically, this 24-page white paper you can read about, staking, everything that I mentioned, just in more depth if you want to learn more about it. Now, they have the attendance protocol, encouraging participation, staking rewards, daily token claims. It's AI-powered market insights and news, etc. And so let's get to the audit here. So if you go to their document section, jetbolt.gitbook.io, they have at the bottom of the page, you can click audits. And then they have a wallet audit. They have a smart contract, a unit testing button. And then they have the smart contract audit. So you could click on that. That will take you over to a solid proof audit. It's a 25-page audit. You can just scroll down to the main points here, and we can see if there's any warnings in this audit here. So they go over almost everything, but just be aware they don't go over everything in every audit. Oh, so right away we have a warning. The very first thing popped up, it says deployer can update the contract with new functionality. So just be aware of that. First thing is a warning. Second thing is a warning. Contract ownership is not even renounced. So I'd be aware of that. It says owner cannot mint new tokens. That's good. Owner cannot burn tokens. And then another warning, owner can blacklist wallets. So at least 3 huge warnings here so far. Then it says owner cannot set fees over 25%. Owner cannot lock function. And then we scroll down, we can see if there's any medium or low issues as well. So there's medium issues. There's 3 medium issues. There's just a whole bunch of issues. There's too many issues to even go over. Low issues, there's a bunch of those. There's informational issues. There's like at least, 6 to 10 big warnings on here. So I just did a video on Poodlana, which is another token in pre-sale ICO on their webpage. That had a solid proof audit. That had 0 warnings on it, compared to this token, which has, at least half of the things are checked off as warnings. I would definitely be aware of this token. Now, I can't say for sure, like, hey, this is going to be a scam, because you don't know if it's a scam until they actually, scam people. So I can't say with certainty that this is a scam, but I could definitely tell you that there is a ton of warnings on there, and I would definitely take this token with a grain of salt. So thoroughly do your own research before investing in this token. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.